Fife welcomes a lot of tourists every year, a lot of foreign drivers. So along with the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service and your Ford Centre, we are here today to highlight the importance for foreign drivers to make sure that they're driving on the left all the time. This can be easily forgotten, especially when we go onto autopilot, and we tend to forget when we're driving out of roundabouts, we're driving out of junctions, tend to go on the wrong side of the road. So we're looking to highlight the importance by dropping lots of merchandise around hotels and tourist information spots around Fife. In 2023, there were 35 recorded collisions from people driving on the wrong side of the road. This was an increase of 46%, so it is an increasing problem for the more tourists that we have coming into Fife. This causes us a problem as a head-on collision unfortunately causes fatalities. Therefore, we're looking to do what we can to encourage foreign drivers to drive on the left. A few hints and tips for our foreign drivers. Always try to avoid distractions from your sat-nav, from your mobile phone, from other passengers. But one thing that you can do is use your other passenger, your front seat passenger, to be another pair of eyes to help you see the road signs, the cars coming along the road and any hazards that are coming. And the last thing we'd always advise, if you feel tired, make sure you stop, grab a coffee, grab a break, grab a rest before getting back in the car and starting again, and make sure you drive on the left.